Hello everyone, in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can easily reset all settings on Windows 11. By following the few simple steps that I show you, now you'll be able to reset all settings on Windows 11 very easily. So make sure to watch the video till the end so I don't make any mistakes. By saying that, let's start the video. At first, go to the settings and now tap on the option called System and scroll down and tap on the option called Recovery. And here on the section of recovery option, you'll see the option called reset this PC. And now tap on reset PC. And then you'll be able to see two options. And here, if you want to remove apps and settings, but you want to keep your personal files, then you can choose keep my files. But if you want to remove everything, including your personal files, then you can tap on remove everything. At first, let's go with the keep my files. And now again you'll be able to see two options, and here I'll suggest you to choose local reinstall and now tap on next. And here you just have to tap on reset, then you'll be able to reset your computer or laptop. And after resetting, you'll be able to change your settings back to their defaults, and you'll be able to keep your personal files, and it will reinstall your Windows from this device, and it will remove all the applications and the programs that you have installed. For now, I'm not resetting, so I'll just tap on cancel. And now again, let's tap on reset PC. And now let's go with the remove everything. And here you can select any option that you like. For now, let's go with the cloud download. And now tap on the option called next. And after that, you'll be able to see this type of prompt. And now tap on reset, then you'll be able to reset your PC. And after resetting, you will be able to remove all the personal files and user accounts on this PC or this laptop, and you'll be able to remove any changes made to the settings, and also you'll be able to remove all the applications and the programs that you have installed. So this is how you can reset all settings on Windows 11. So my friend, that's it. If you find this video helpful even 1%, consider subscribing and leave a like. I'll be back with another problem solving video like this. Thanks for watching.